Good morning. Today we will be exploring some calming meditations for children that come from the book titled Meditation for Kids by Tejal V. Patel. I hope that by using these and other meditations, we can all practice mindfulness that will help us during this online learning period. The first thing we need to do is to find a comfortable, quiet spot to meditate in, like your living room or your bedroom. Here we go. Sit cross-legged on the floor or bed like I am. Pretend you are wearing a jacket with a zipper that comes from your belly button to your neck. Sit up tall and grab the pretend zipper and say, zip. Notice how your back gets tall and straight. Let's try that. Great job. Now it's time to put on your sunglasses. Make 2 circles with your hands, just like this, and outstretch your fingers to make sunglasses. And look out those sunglasses and see as far as you can see. Now you're going to raise your arms up and take an in-breath, lowering, and rest them right on your knees. Now we are ready to meditate. Close your eyes and your mouth and pretend that you are breathing in a chilly fall air. Breathe in through your nose. Then open your mouth and say, ah, as you breathe out all of that cool air. We're going to try this 5 times. Ah. 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 Great job. Open your eyes, relax your hands, and notice how your body feels. You should feel that you're breathing more easily, your breaths are slower, and your mind is clearer. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.